Letter number 29. To the people of Basra. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Whatever disunity and schism you have is not hidden to you. I have forgiven your wrongdoers and held back my sword from those who ran away. I received everyone who came to me from among you. If devastating matters and wrong and silly views are prompting you to break the pledge with me and to oppose me, then, listen, I have kept ready my horses and put saddles on my riding camels, and if you force me to advance towards you, I shall come down in such a manner that before it the battle of Jamal 2 would appear like the last licking of the tongue. At the same time I know the high position of the obedient among you and the right of the sincere without confusing the sinless with the offenders or the faithful with the pledge breakers.